Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to share a KNIME workflow. All right. So first up, just open up your project. For example, this one right here. All right. So what we're going to do next is just go ahead and export it. Okay. Like so. Save it on your desktop so you can easily locate it. Save. Finish. Now let's check it out. Here we have it. Now the next thing would be is to share it. Now how do you do it? We have multiple options. You can go ahead and save it to a drive like Google Drive. Okay. Drive.google like that. In here, you can just go ahead and drag and drop. Wait for it to upload. All right. Once done, click on three dots, hit on share, general access right here. Anyone with the link. For example, it is now set to anyone with the link. Hit on done, click on three dots once more, share, copy the link, and send it wherever you want. All right. Like so. The person can just go ahead and click on download and open up the workflow by himself. All right. Another option is by going to your community hub or KNIME community hub or KNIME hub. Okay. Open up a web browser once more. Now go to hub.knime.com. All right. Hit on enter. In here, make sure to log in. Now go to your profile, click on it. You're under your spaces. Okay. Go to public space. And then what you would do is just go ahead and click on upload. Okay. This one right here, the VLOOKUP, open. Wait for it to upload. All right. It says uploaded. Click on it to open it up. Then go ahead and click on share. All right. Copy. You can directly share it to Facebook, Reddit, LinkedIn, and KNIME forum right here. Okay. If not, send the link like so. And the person can just easily drag and drop it to their KNIME analytics platform or download it from here like so. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.